Have you wondered how to use charcoal in your mixed media paintings? Whether you should seal the charcoal in before painting on top? And how to do it? In this video I would like to answer those questions and show you what I do when working with charcoal and mixed media. Why would we want to seal in the charcoal before painting on top? And what happens if we don't? If the charcoal is not sealed in, it can get smudged or rubbed off completely. If you want to use acrylic paint on top of a charcoal drawing, the colors can become dirty or muddy looking as the charcoal particles will mix with the paint. So if you are looking to build up layers in charcoal and perhaps combine them with acrylics, you will need to seal or fix the layers of charcoal before adding paint on top. Using a spray fixative is an easy option to seal in the marks before adding another layer of charcoal or paint. Different brands have slightly different directions on how to best use them, so please do read the instructions carefully. Before spraying the artwork, it needs to be completely dry. Spray an even layer, 25 to 30 centimeters or 10 to 12 inches from the drawing or the artwork, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Spray another layer of fixative on top of the first one and let dry. 2 layers is usually sufficient and recommended for charcoal or pastel drawings. And this is great if you are protecting a finished work on paper. Step 4. Since I'll be painting on top of my charcoal marks with acrylics and mixed media, I've added a 4th step to seal in the charcoal. As I found that the spray fixative wasn't quite enough when painting successive layers of mixed media on top, and sometimes the charcoal will still smudge a little when I paint and scratch into the surface of the painting. To prevent that from happening, I add some acrylic medium on top as an added layer of sealant. So after the last layer of spray fixative is dry, you can try adding some acrylic medium on top to seal the marks in even more. I use acrylic gloss medium. Brush the medium on and let it dry completely. And now you're ready to add paint on top and colors if you so wish. Can you use charcoal on canvas also? Yes, absolutely. This work is on canvas and I added many layers of mark making with charcoal, pencils and acrylics. As you can see, you can start with a layer of charcoal and then add acrylics on top after you seal it. But you can also add charcoal details on top of acrylics. Just use the same procedure to seal everything in. If you want more insider tips to loosen up your painting style, I want to direct you to my free guide, 5 Proven Ways to Loosen Up Your Painting Style. In the guide, I share 5 of the most transformative ways to loosen up while improving your paintings. Please see the link below the video for your free guide. These 5 tips are ways I use myself all the time in my painting practice. Download the free guide and start implementing the steps today to improve and move forward on your painting journey. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.